Ever wondered why the Toyota RAV4 keeps showing up everywhere? From city traffic to mountain weekends? Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike World. I know, we usually talk bikes here, but today we're checking out something that a lot of riders actually use as their daily family car, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. And honestly, there's a reason this thing is dominating in today's SUV market. Exterior and road presence. From the outside, the RAV4 looks confident without trying too hard. The stance is slightly wider, the front has that clean Toyota toughness, and the headlights give it a sharp modern face. It's not flashy, but when it passes by, it looks like it belongs on any road, city or country. The paint finish is neat, panel gaps are tight, and the overall vibe is practical adventurer. Interior and cabin experience. Step inside and it feels familiar in a good way. The seats hold you nicely, visibility is wide, and the cabin doesn't overwhelm you with a million buttons. Materials feel durable, not cheap, and there's enough space that you don't keep bumping elbows with the passenger. The dashboard is laid out sensibly, and the driving position feels natural. Just get in, adjust the wheel, and go. Engine and driving experience. Out on the road, the engine feels smooth and relaxed. In the city, it pulls quietly without making a scene, and on the highway, it feels composed. No unnecessary drama when you press the pedal. The power delivery is calm, not aggressive, and the whole thing feels very Toyota, refined, predictable, and stress-free. Cabin noise is low enough that you can actually talk without raising your voice. Comfort and practicality. Long drives? No problem. The seats don't punish your back, and the suspension handles bumps like they don't exist. Families will appreciate the rear space and the cargo room, but even single drivers or couples will enjoy how easy it is to live with daily. Technology and features. The tech is useful rather than gimmicky. The screen is clean, the connectivity actually works, the backup camera is crystal clear, and the driver's safety assists make daily traffic a bit less annoying. Nothing distracts you. Everything helps you. Pros and cons. Pros? Comfortable, reliable feeling, easy to live with, and built for real people. Cons? Not the most exciting SUV to drive, and some might wish it had a bit more personality. Who this car is for? Perfect for families, first-time SUV buyers, commuters, and anyone who wants peace of mind without dealing with drama. Final verdict. So, is the 2026 RAV4 worth it? In my honest opinion, yes, if you want a solid, no-nonsense SUV that just does its job exceptionally well. It may not thrill you, but it won't disappoint you either. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, would you choose the RAV4 or go for something more exciting? Drop your pick in the comments.